What's going on, everybody? I got a couple of things today that hopefully I can be able to take care of with this log splitter. My throttle lever broke on me the other day when I was using it, so I'm going to try and relocate the throttle control to that side of the machine where I stand, just to make it easier for me. Also, the kill switch is mounted on the back side of this, and where I use a table to feed the logs coming in that I'm splitting, it kind of covers all this, so if I stick my arm out, I have a good chance of getting burned if I don't watch what I'm doing. So just to make all this a little bit more convenient, I'm going to relocate this kill switch to this side of the machine as well, just to make life easier. The lever that broke off right here goes on this part right here. So it makes it a little hard to get to each and every time I need to throttle up and down. So it's almost like it's set up for a cable. So this should work. Hopefully, looks like maybe something would mount this way. You could come into a cable on this side, or you could come through this and clamp the cable here, feed it through this, and it would pull here. I just need to loosen the tension up because I know there's no way that this cable will push it back. It might pull it to me, so it would accelerate, but I don't think I could get it to go back down. Oh yeah, that definitely does. I think I'm going to take these screws here out and find me a piece of metal to bolt to this, like an L bracket with a hole. That way I can mount this, and I want to be able to mount my kill switch over here. Anyways, I got this piece of scrap here that I usually hold on to the little pieces like this just because you never know when you might need it, and I think this would work like this. And then I'll have a angled piece here and then this straight piece, and I'll put the kill switch there and the throttle there probably coming through, and I think that'll be great. I want to take this on-off switch here and mount it over there on that plate beside of my throttle control. It is sure looking like that thing is probably bolted from the other side of this. I really didn't want to have to do all that. I was hoping it would come off, but I feel like I'm going to break it. Let me get this off. It wasn't as bad as I was thinking it was going to be. I was wrong. It's not bolted. Kind of hit a big hole there, but I want to use this switch, so I'm going to get it out of here. If I'd have known, then I wouldn't even have to pull this cover off, but now I know. I was digging through all my junk, and I found this plastic piece laying on top of my toolbox. I don't even know what that's from. These are the pivot pins that fit a steel brand brush protector. It's like a metal screen that attaches to ear protection that you can flip down in front of your face, and I had removed the screen part off the ear protection because I wanted them separate, but those are the pivot pins to allow it to swivel. But it snaps into this hole great. So I'm going to trim this piece right here off where it's not sticking out, and I'll show you. I mean, I know I hang on to a lot of junk, but that's kind of why I do it. You never know when you might need something. Yep, it feels good. Not hitting that plug or nothing. I got it on, and what I ended up doing was just drilling a small hole across the plastic, through the plastic, and then I just stuck me a cotter pin through it. that should work fine. Here's where you can see the choke cable kit that I had originally installed and tried to use. It didn't work as good as I would like for it to, so that's why I switched over to an actual throttle kit, which you'll see here in just a second. The rest is just getting the wiring routed up and conduit put on it. And on this end, I actually used the same ends that was on the machine previously. I just cut them and attached them right to the end of the wires there and put them right back exactly where they was. It's a universal throttle cable. I think I'm going to be able to use this. I got to figure out exactly how I want to get it mounted up here. But take this out and bend this bracket back this way. That way I can mount this inside there, and that way it would sit in about midways. Then I'm just going to pop these rivets off and spin this plate around, and I'll just have to slot it on this side, because then that'll be over here. Stop should be fully extended, and then fast would be retracted. That ought to work. But I think it'll work pretty good. So there's about what it's going to look like all said and done. Got the screws ground off so it clears that bracket. But I'm going to drill a hole right here so that this cable will feed down through. I don't like putting that much of a bend on it. I'm going to get these holes right here drilled, get some screws put in them. There's my throttle. There's wide open. There's slow. But I can't go on up to stop. It wouldn't stop anyway. Good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. No, 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 move, move. Oliver, let's see what that does. So pretty much final look. This is the finished product for me anyways. It would probably look even better if I had a cover over this side, but I'm not probably going to do that. I mainly want it just to be functional. So let's fire it up and see if it works. Sounds pretty good to me. Thanks for watching.